Hi, this is Harry Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete downloaded YouTube video in your iPhone 11, iPhone 10, 7, 6 or whatever the version you have. You have to go to YouTube in this case. Go inside. Go here, library. Hit your library. If it's appear here, it's fine, you don't need to hit, but if you hit here, you'll see something as this your video, downloaded video. I hit this one, downloaded. So you see this video I have in my phone downloaded. I want to delete because if you have so many video downloaded, you can fill all your memories. You see smart download. So hit these three dots. When you hit three dots, they give you this option, surely delete from download. Hit this one. This video is deleted, I don't have any more. So this is very simple tutorial, guys. So you can delete any video you have downloaded or automatically downloaded to your phone. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.